look at another application using the law of sines, and this one has to do with bearings. We've got a boat that is sailing east parallel to the shoreline. So here's the line of the boat is traveling in, and then we have the shoreline. It's traveling at 15 miles per hour. At a given time, the bearing to the lighthouse is south 70 degrees east. So we've got a vertical line drawn here, and this is south 70 degrees east. And then 18 minutes later, we've got south 60 degree east. And this is the bearing from the boat to the lighthouse. And it says find the distance from the boat to the lighthouse after 18 minutes has passed if the lighthouse is on the shoreline. So we want to find this distance right here. And the first thing we're going to do is just draw a separate triangle so it's a little bit clearer to see. So we're going to label this triangle with the information that we have. Now we know if we call this triangle A, B, C. We want to find angle A. Let's come over here and look at this angle right here. We know that the vertical line, this is actually perpendicular to the line that is our boat's path. And so that angle, the complete angle, would have been 90 degrees from here to here. And so this little angle has to be 20 degrees. Angle A is 20 degrees. And we also know that this angle right here, we drew a perpendicular line, that this angle right here is 90 degrees, and so this little angle we said was 63. Angle B is the sum of those two angles, so angle B is going to be 153 degrees. Side C, we would just take 180 minus the 153 and the 20. So, angle C is 7 degrees. I need to find side A. That's going to be the distance from the boat to the lighthouse, from here to here. This point to the lighthouse. And I also have enough information to find side C, which is this distance between A and B. I know distance equals rate times time, but my rate is in miles per hour and my time is in minutes. So my rate is 15 miles per hour. But before I multiply that by the time of 18 minutes, I want to convert this to miles per minute. So I want hours to cancel. So I have 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes. There's a conversion factor. So this is my rate, right? Adjusted, it will end up having the units of miles per minute. And then I'll multiply by 18 minutes. So I've got the rate times the time. The minutes will cancel. When I multiply the 15 times the 18 and divide by 60, I get 4.5 miles. Now I have enough information to solve for A using the law of sines. So I know that 4.5 over the sine of 7 degrees equals A over the sine of 20 degrees. After setting your cross products equal to each other and dividing, we get A is equal to 4.5 times the sine of 20 degrees all over the sine of 7 degrees, which when evaluated on your calculator is approximately 12.6. Since we asked to round to the nearest tenth, and this is going to be in miles. So we know the distance from where the boat's location after 18 minutes to the lighthouse is 12.6 miles. And you can also check your answer by comparing your ratios.